Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your NBKC Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to google.com. In the Google search bar, search for NBKC Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of NBKC Bank. Now you can see the login option on the top right hand corner. Click on it and it will lead you to this login portal. Let me show it to you once again. Go to NBKC Bank's official website and click login. And it will lead you to this login portal where you can choose the type of account like bank account, home loans, credit card. So if you want to enter into home loans, click home loans and you will be leaded to another website where you can see there's a login mortgage portal where you can write down your username, your password and click login. This way you can enter into your NBKC mortgage account. In case you have forgotten your username or password, these two links are the one which you want to go through to retrieve back your account and recover your password again. If you don't have an online account, click register and then you can create an NBKC mortgage account for yourself. Now, if you want to log in to your bank account, click bank account and you can log in within this portal after writing your login ID, password and then clicking login. And same goes for this site as well. If you have forgotten your password, click on this link and if you want to create an account, click enroll and choose the type of account you want to create. This was a video on how you can log into your NBKC mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.